Let's learn how to add auto captions on CapCut PC. First thing first, make sure that you have CapCut downloaded on your PC and that it is working properly. Next step is open a project you would like to add auto captions on. In this case, I will create a new project, but you can use an old one. Make sure that the video is finished, or that you did what you wanted to do inside the project itself. Next step is to choose the captions option, which you can find in the same row as Options Import Audio, Effects and others. After finding the option, next step is to choose the language you would like your captions to be in. You can choose between 10 to 15 languages, so make sure to choose the correct one or else captions will not work. Generate the captions and wait a little. After that, you can adjust captions to your preference by choosing different styles, fonts and other options. And that is all. Make sure to subscribe to channel.